For me, in the equipment rental industry, I would say it would be applicable to reach out to like mechanic shops because while their customer's machine is down, maybe they're looking for someone that's renting machines while their piece is being repaired.
100%. And the way I would possibly raise my hand on that is, I just want to raise my hand, let you know I'm out here. I know, and I'm probably not telling you anything you don't already know. These customers, when their machine is down, they seem to take it out on you guys and think that you guys have some sort of magic wand and can get it running like instantaneously, right? I just want to raise my hand, let you know I'm out here, especially in those situations where you have a heated customer or somebody that's just breathing down your neck and you're spending more time giving them updates on the repair than you are actually repairing it. I'm happy to help. Even if you just need a second opinion or you want to bounce an idea off of somebody or you just need a friend to talk to about how ridiculous the expectations of some of these companies are. Deal me in. I'm here. I'm talking to the same people you are. And now all of a sudden, one of those calls, by the way, you call every repair shop. They might never call you back. A lot of them are going to be like, man, I remember that Sean guy. We need to bring Sean in here. We need to bring Boy Wonder in here on Steve. You know Steve's going to be calling us 17 times. Let's make sure Sean sets him up with a rental because I can't be taking calls from Steve anymore, right? It's just, that's a perfect example, Sean, of you using your noggin and going, who could I call, right? We all, if we just sat down and stopped complaining and got off our social media for a second and thought about, okay, so I have my business, got it. Have my customers, got it. If we just thought outside of that box for a second and we're like, who are all the other people that might be connected to my customers that could flow business my way? Oh, bing, bang, boom, bop, and start raising your hand with them. You create an army of evangelists and it's free. You don't got to pay Google for it. It's amazing. If you like this video, I got you. I'm going to hook you up. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm going to pay for everything. You're going to close a lot more business. You're going to make a lot more money. You're going to have a lot more fun. And you're going to be like, Matt Easton changed my life. And I'm going to be like, yes, I did. Did we just become best friends? And you're going to say, yes, we did. And then you and I are going to be best friends and it'll be great. So click the link in my bio so we can be friends and you can close more business and I'll cover all the cost. See you there.